Hello, welcome back to... I was drinking water.
Gotta think before I claim that I want you. Your beauty's running through my veins. It's hard to... I'm thinking wrong.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sometimes I do like extra little videos, so you're gonna want to subscribe. You're gonna want to hit the bell so that you don't miss anything. In today's video, I'm doing a wig from a company that I've never reviewed for, and that is Vanessa Hair. I'm pretty sure I heard about Vanessa Hair from a couple different YouTubers, but a YouTuber that you should check out, which is Wigs in Wanderlust, and I will put her down below. I heard about Vanessa Hair from her, and so I wanted to scoop up some and see what they were all about. So I scooped up this girl. This is JALITA. Yeah, JALITA. And it says that she is a wide middle lace part. You know, I love a lace part wig. I have her in the color SP430, which is what color the model has. It comes with like tape and everything. I don't tape my wigs down. It says she's heat safe from 320 to 360 degrees. She's supposed to have like a specialty like honeycomb shaped wig cap, I guess, or I'm sorry, honeycomb shaped lace pattern. So let's see what, oh, and it says she has a wider part so you don't have to pluck. So let's see what she's got going on. And I scooped her up from Wig Types for $23.92. This is her. She's definitely a yucky texture. She does smell. She smells very weird and chemically, so I'm gonna have to, the regular dry shampoo isn't gonna work. I'm gonna have to get the overly fragranced stuff. I don't often use this just because it is too fragranced, but when this kind of situation happens, I need to. Yeah, she needs it. Let's look at her wig, or her wig construction. Let's look at her cap construction. She did have a little bit of lace in the front, which I did go ahead and trim. She's got 2 combs in the back, the lace parting there, or 2 combs in the front. She does have a comb in the back, adjustable straps. I'm not going to adjust her because I've never worn this company before, so I don't know what the size is. So let me just get this chick on. This is Paulina, by the way, from Outre, and you can see her on a review when I put her up, because you know I pre-film. And if you don't know that, I pre-film. So I pre-film a lot. So like I said, if there's something you want to see in a video, like say you want to see this and it's not up yet, you just go ahead and comment down below, and then I'll change the order of my videos. And you can see I have a nice burn on my head from when I was trying to be cute and hurry up and get ready and lay down a little bit of humpage on a wig, and I burned myself. So don't do that. I put my wigs on back to front, so I feel like this wig cap's gonna be big, but let's go ahead and look. Actually, no, she fits pretty good and I didn't adjust her. Oh, hey. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. She does, yeah, there is like some like baby hair situation. I do like the parting space. Let me look. Yeah, she can be shifted slightly. This is her on the right. Ooh. And this is her on the left. I don't mind this at all. I do feel like she could want to get tangled. And then this is her right in the center. I'm a sucker for a center part. Let's just go slight left. Yeah, let's go slight left. All right, let me try to get this chick together and we'll see how she ends up.
Before I claim that I want you, your beauty's running through my veins. It's hard to, I don't know if I'm thinking wrong. The thought of you, it's getting stuck in the middle of this long, long roads. Past all these years, you give me chills. And now it's time to be clear.
Okay, I honestly did not have to do pretty much anything to her other than cut off the lace. I combed her out. The curl pattern's great. The lace on her, I'm getting a little bit of shedding, but that could be from the lace. The lace is a little bit scratchy. Now, I have a burnt head, so that's probably not helping, but that is just something to note. The wig cap, I wouldn't say would be overly big head friendly. It's super comfortable. I don't even have the combs in or anything, so I don't think that if you were looking for a larger wig cap, that this would be a wig for you. I do sort of like that extra large part. I think it might be slightly too large right in the front, but that's easily remedied with just a little bit, so you can just pull it in with some powder. The texture is nice. I really like this wig. I really, really do. If you have natural curly hair, this is going to mimic natural curly hair. I like these sort of like peekaboo highlights in the back. This is all the hair to the front. I am 5'6.5", and so this is probably, you can see my bra. My bra. This is probably 18 or 19 inches, maybe 20. Let's look at her from the back. I am getting a little bit of shedding, but it's not horrible. Yeah, you can see those 30s in the back. I really like that curl pattern. Let's look at the movement. Yeah, for never trying this brand before, I'm looking forward to wearing this and seeing what she has to offer. This texture reminds me so much of Free Trust Equals Flirty Deep, which I love, but Flirty Deep is a left-sided part, and I'm not a huge fan of left-sided parts, so I feel like I love the fact that this is that same texture, but I can shift it in. It could be more of a middle part, so I may actually wear her a lot, and so yeah, I really like her. She feels really good. She doesn't smell as bad, so she just needed a little bit of dry shampoo. So far, so good. I will continue to wear her, and you will see her in a future update video. If you have any questions about the wig beforehand, go ahead and ask me down below. Another good place to follow me would be Instagram, which is Tia Maria Everyday, because as I'm wearing wigs just in like my regular life, or you know, what have you, I will put update pictures up there. I will make little videos and things, so it's just a good way in between this review and whenever, you know, an update would happen that you would actually hear something. Okay, so this is Future Tia. I did have to come back on. I've been testing this wig out, and I do have two thoughts about it. The lace on here is scratchy, and the thing about it is you could cut this back a little bit, so that it didn't scratch as much, but you are going to want to make sure that you have a wig cap that's pulled down a little bit, because the lace is scratchy on this. It looks beautiful. For me, I would say, just my preference, the color's too dark. Number 4 is tough because it can go really dark brown or sort of a medium brown. Like, it's just all over the place with companies, and I had never tried this before. This does look a lot like real hair, so that is definitely a plus. The other thing is I have gotten some shedding, and I wanted to come back on. It's not, see, it's not horrible, and I feel like with this texture you really shouldn't be combing it too much, but I did want to say that I experienced a little bit in the video, and I thought it was because of the lace, and a lot of times that is the case, but over just, you know, sort of getting the ends, because with this texture they can get a little knotty, so over the course of the day and just, you know, wanting to make sure I separate the ends, I have got some shedding. Do I think it's deal breaker shedding? No, especially if you're aware of it and you don't go raking through it, but I do think it's worth mentioning shedding. Yeah, see? That was just from combing it. There's 2 strands. I still think that it's great. I really feel like this would be the best wig for someone who wants more of a human hair wig look, but for synthetic prices. So, all right, so I will get back to wherever I inserted this in the video, and we'll get back to it, but I just wanted to bring that to you. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and if you have, thank you so much. I really love talking to you, so any comments, questions down below, I love it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.